Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat2 Answer2. So the first question is explain animation state, animation events and transitions between animation states. Okay, so Unity uses an animation state machine to play different animations on a character. Okay, so like the animation states are the basic building block of an animation state machine that defines which clip should be played when I'm in when I'm in current active state. Okay, and like then animation events. Okay, so animation events are a special type of events provided by Unity that we can add inside our animation clip, and those events get called whenever my animation reaches to that frame. Okay, so for example, let's say I added an event on 40th frame. So whenever my animation reaches the 40th frame, that event will get called, and I can perform any behavior. Like I can call any method that I want. Like I can call any method in that event. Okay, so the third is transitions between animation states. Okay, so transitions are nothing but just to it defines which state will I enter when I exit this current active state, and the conditions to enter that state. Okay, so for example, let's say there is a walk state and there is a run state. So if I just press input any input key, I will just walk. But if I press shift while providing an input key, I will enter inside and run animation. And if I release the release the shift key, I will again start to walk. Again start to walk. So these are the conditions and the transitions with where I can transition from the active state, which state can I can execute after this state when I exit this state, and what are the conditions to enter that state. Okay, so those are the transitions between events. Then second question is, what is the use case of any state in the animation state machine? Okay, so any state is a special type of state provided by Unity that lets me transition into a particular state from any state. Okay, so for example, let's say there are 5 different states, and there is an 6th state that says, okay, I want to jump, and it's like I can transition from all 5 states to that jump state. Okay, no matter what state I am in, I can transitions in that jump state. So I can use that any state to transitions into that jump state. So all I have to do is create transitions from any state to that state and define some condition when should I transition, and I will enter in that state from any state. No matter what state I am in, I will enter in that jump state. The third question is, what is the default case in the animation state machine? So I guess the correct question would be, what is the default state in the animation state machine? Okay, so default state is the state that that will be executed first. Like my animation state machine will enter in that state whenever it gets started. So basically, let's say there are 5 different states in my animation state machine. One of them is idle state, then walk, run, and all other stuff. So as soon as I start playing that game, my default state, the first state that my animation state machine should enter is an idle state. So I can create my idle state as an default state, and it will be displayed in an orange. Yes, orange, I guess. Okay, that's it. Thank you.